Bullish cost estimates for the Zio organization run between 2 cents and 3 cents for 2030. Market watchers accept Zio could hit 1 cent by 2025. The Zio organization's market price forecast for 2023 is $0. Zio Planning Presentation XYO Profit Organization, also known as Zio Organization, is shaping the future of information by showing the world's most memorable reality profit, which is the link between secure blockchain information and our real world. This innovation convention is meant to work on the legitimacy, reliability, and value of information. Building an information commercial center gives customers the highest quality level for any applications, websites, blocks, and innovations that depend on information. Scott Shepard started the Cutting Edge Innovation Project. Ari Trau and Marcus Levin worked on software engineering at the College of Cincinnati before getting a Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering from the New York Organization for Innovation in 2017. After working as a computer programmer for different companies, he started Yentu and an administrations company. In 2012, he also started XY Labs, a company that makes new mobile and blockchain-related technologies. Shepard is a sequential business visionary. Before starting XYO, he started Greenland, an automatic advertising company that worked in automated media buying. The company made more than $13.6 million. Finally, Levin is a sequential tech business visionary who has led a number of adventures, such as Novacore. MediaHive and Coil in this video will tell you what we think the price of Zio tokens will be from 2022 to 2030, based on key measurements, technical analysis, and economic conditions. First, we'll talk about how the project works in its guide. Then, we'll talk about the role of Zio tokens in the project. Finally, we'll look at the facts and factors that affect the price of Zio tokens. The goal of the Zio organization is to make a trustless decentralized system of area profits that can't be attacked and gives the most certainty possible when asked for information. The project does this through a series of reflections that greatly reduces the risk of area spoofing through a chain of zero information verifications along the parts of the system. Customers can send exchanges called questions to recover. Having smart agreement service aggregators from the Zio company listen to the questions given to the agreement and get the most accurate answers from a decentralized network of devices that send cryptographic confirmation back up to these aggregators. These aggregators then feed these answers back into the smart agreement after agreeing on the answer with the best score. This organization of parts makes it possible to know if an item is at a certain XY coordinate at a given time with as much certainty as possible. The Zio organization also has parts that help keep a strong financial, symbolic system and a fair liquidity ratio. Zio diggers are encouraged to give accurate information and to know when not to give any information at all so as not to pollute the environment with wrong information. A Zio digger can open the door for a competing Zio digger. The end client holding Zio tokens is encouraged to do more when network liquidity is low compared to when network liquidity is high. The symbolic client gets economy-based rewards that are given by Zio diggers who may have registered. As of right now, Zio has moved 1.49% and has a trading volume of 831,158. The Zio organization is currently ranked 364 among all digital currencies and has a market value of $59,648,522. The Zio organization went live in December 2018. And Spaceflight wanted to use Zio's technology to let people know where satellites were. The Zio token started trading in May 2018 at around $0, but it quickly fell to its all-time low of $0 by the end of 2020, after the death of Zio's main backer and bad habit director Scott Shepard and a wider market slump caused by the coronavirus pandemic. Zio company value forecast from some points of view. 2023 Zio organization for is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Zio price forecast for 2023 predicts a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly all the way to $0. This is similar to other digital currencies, where the rise will be steady but there won't be any big drops. This is a very ambitious goal, but it can be reached soon if everyone works together. Zio is supposed to be worth nothing at the start. Value Expectation Zio Organization 2024. Of every 2024 Zio organization, Zio price forecast has a lot of room to grow because of the possible announcements of many new organizations and drives. We think the price of Zio will soon beat 1 cent, but we should wait to see if its overall strength record comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any bullish bets. Bets that take into account how hard it is to predict the market. Zio will trade with a minimum exchange price of $0 per tip. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. Zio company value forecast: if the upward trend continues until 2025, it could hit 1 cent, which would be good for Zio. However, if the market goes down, the goal might not be reached. In 2025, the lowest price for exchanging Zio is expected to be 1 cent. Value Expectation Zio Organization: we think that the price of Zio coins will stay the same for the next 5 years if the Zio Group does a good job of helping market opinion among cryptocurrency fans. The Zio is expected to hit and beat its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth 2 cents, with a base cost of 1 cent and an average cost of 1 cent. Value Expectation Zio Organization: after a lot of research and technical analysis, we think that the Zio price will reach a base price of 2 cents by the end of 2027. A base price of 2 cents is expected before the end of the year. Zio has a maximum value of 2 cents. Zio's business value forecast for 2028 is based on things that are expected to happen by 2028. We think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 2 cents. If Zio can break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of 2 cents. If Zio doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get a low of 2 cents. Zio's company value forecast for 2029: while Zio is working to make it easier for companies to work together, the bullish trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at 3 cents and the annual price will be close to 3 cents in 2020. First mover in Asia, Bitcoin holds $27,000 as macro and technical signs are positive. Also, in the last 11 days, the stablecoin supply ratio has gone down by 11%.